Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your PayPal account. Verifying your account unlocks its full functionality and removes initial spending and withdrawal limits. This essential step enhances your account's security, ensuring a safer and more reliable experience for all your transactions. A verified account also builds trust with other users and services, giving you complete confidence. The primary method to verify your PayPal account involves linking your bank. First, log in and head to your wallet section, then choose to link a bank account. You will then enter your bank's routing and account numbers precisely. Double-check these details to prevent any delays or errors in the linking process, ensuring a smooth connection. After linking your bank, PayPal will send 2 small, random deposits, each typically less than $1, to your account. This process usually takes 2 to 3 business days to reflect on your bank statement. Once you see these deposits, log back into PayPal, go to your wallet, and confirm the exact amounts. This final step validates your bank's ownership. Alternatively, you can verify by linking a debit or credit card to your PayPal account. After adding your card details, PayPal will place a small, temporary authorization charge. Check your card statement online or through your bank, and you will find a unique 4-digit code accompanying this charge. Enter this code into PayPal to complete your card verification quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.